Other thing is I did post on Facebook Marketplace. I received a ton of replies on there for the rental, that particular rental. And also I list on apartments.com. Now, some might be saying, why apartments.com? They actually do residential properties for homes as well. And they do list on several platforms when you list on their platform. But the reason why I did choose them is because I was looking for a platform that was very budget friendly. The platform is free. I was looking for an online application. They have digital signatures. They do the background and credit check, and it comes back immediately once they do the application. It has the expense report. It has a maintenance request. And so I wanted all these things in one portal. You're able to either use a template that they have to create your lease agreement. You're just putting in the state and the different questions that they have, and they help to create that lease agreement for you. Or of course you can upload your own. So I wanted all those components, and it was free. They pay for the application fee when they apply for the actual home on that platform, and that fee goes to apartments.com.